Welcome to the first video of this channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video we'll get started on the OverTheWire challenge. For those of you who don't know, OverTheWire is a challenge-based platform for people who want to learn about cybersecurity, which actually means becoming a hacker, or for seasoned professionals who want to refresh their knowledge and their skill set. The platform has 12 series of challenges, with each one ranging between 10 and 30 levels. Here we have an overview of the different series and what aspect of cybersecurity each one focuses on. As you can see, the levels range from basic to more difficult. We'll start with the bandit level, which focuses on using the command line tools inside the terminal. The next series will be about web security, and every series following that will be about security exploitation and penetration testing. Creating an account is optional for this challenge, but we'll do so to keep track of the levels we completed and see our ranking on the scoreboard. First, let's head over to the site. Information, reach our scoreboard, and we'll follow these steps to create an account and keep track of our levels. First, go to the reach our site. We register for an account. Then we'll click the link in our email to confirm. Once we click the confirmation link in our email, we'll sign in again. Once signed in, we will need to link the OverTheWire site to this challenge scoreboard. So let's go to account. We will choose the OverTheWire site, username, email, link site. And then we see success. Now, let's head over to step 3. Because I'm using a Mac, I won't edit the bash rc file, but I will edit the bash profile file. Vim is an in-terminal editor, so we don't need a code editor like VS Code or anything else. We'll make it easy for us. At the end of our bash profile file, we'll paste this. So to edit a file in Vim, we click the I button. Now we're in inserting mode. We will make a comment that is for our OverTheWire website. I paste it in. My username is codewt01. And our reachal welcome token, we will find this when we go here to war boxes, our current war token. We'll copy this, delete all of this, paste it. Now, to exit and save this file, we will first hit the escape button, then we'll do :W to write and Q to quit. Now we have saved and quit this file. So step 3 is completed. Next, step 4. This will be the same file for every operating system. So same, we'll use Vim. We'll paste this literally here. Now to save and quit again, we hit the :write quit. We will need to check if the system has registered the changes in the file. So for that, we'll open a new terminal. We will type echo $, and then either reachal user or reachal token. And now it is registered. Step 5. When we will log into a level and we invoke the reachal command, it will synchronize our completed levels with the reachal scoreboard. So let's check. We will first do the level 0 of the bandit. We won't solve it yet, that is for our next video. But now, we will check if everything is set up right. 0. Bandit 0 is a username we'll use for this level at our host on port 2220. Now, here's indicated the password is bandit 0 as well. Notice when you're typing a password in, it won't display what you typed in, but it will register it. So now I typed it, I hit enter, and we're here. When invoking the reach out command, if you get this error, this means that everything we did was correct. Because if you have an error result unknown user, that means something went wrong. And try to complete the steps again. Now, why do we get this error? This is because this is level 0, the very first level. When we will get to level 1, and we invoke the reach out command again, we will see on the reach out scoreboard that we will have solved one. Because now we haven't solved any level yet. At this point, everything is set up and we are ready to start hacking. I'll be posting new videos of each level every other day at 5 PM. If you are as excited as I am for this challenge, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our achievements.